Buckle up as we dissect the revolutionary engineering that propels the Tesla Model S Plaid into hyperdrive, the Plaid motor. At the heart of this beast lies a radical departure from conventional electric motors, starting with its carbon-sleeved rotor design. Unlike traditional rotors that rely on metal banding, the Plaid motor encases its rotor in a lightweight, yet incredibly strong carbon fiber sleeve. This innovation is critical because at extremely high speeds, the centrifugal forces acting on the rotor become immense. Metal rotors can deform or even shatter, but the carbon fiber sleeve provides exceptional structural integrity. The manufacturing process involves precisely winding carbon fiber filaments around the rotor, creating a sleeve that is both incredibly thin and exceptionally strong. This allows the motor to safely achieve unprecedented rotational speeds, exceeding 20,000 RPM. The benefits are clear: increased power density, higher sustained torque at high RPM, and improved thermal management. The result is blistering acceleration and a top speed that redefines what's possible for an electric vehicle. By overcoming the limitations of traditional motor designs, Tesla has unleashed a new era of electric performance, proving that innovation in materials and engineering can redefine automotive boundaries. So, next time you see a Model S Plaid blur past, remember the Plaid motor, a testament to Tesla's relentless pursuit of pushing the limits of electric vehicle technology. #Tesla Motor, #Plaid Engineering.